Has it ever happened with you that you've actually reached a goal you've been dreaming about for a long time, but now that you've reached it, now that you've achieved it, you find yourself questioning whether you actually belong here? Now you've achieved something really meaningful, something that you've really worked hard towards. Maybe a promotion, maybe some success in a particular project, maybe a bigger audience in your work, maybe a new opportunity. But instead of feeling great about it, instead of feeling very confident about it, you've started feeling very uncertain about it. You've started wondering, what if they discover that I'm not as capable as they think? If you achieve success in the public domain, or if you've achieved success otherwise in your work, you start thinking, what if I can't keep up with this success? What if I fail tomorrow? What if I don't get the results after 3 months? What if I'm not really ready and this happened by fluke? Now, suddenly, the very thing you really work so hard to create starts feeling uncomfortable. This happens because imposter feelings don't show up when you are staying where you are. They show up when you are actually coming out of your comfort zone and when you are stepping into who you are becoming. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And today we are talking about something so many high achieving women experience, especially when they are entering a new chapter of growth. Imposter feelings. That uncomfortable sense that somehow you are not qualified enough, or somehow you start feeling you may just fail. You start feeling you are not knowledgeable enough, experienced enough, successful enough, ready enough, even when your results show otherwise. And here's what makes imposter feelings so confusing. They actually often appear at the exact moment your life is expanding and you're taking that leap. When your business grows, when your visibility increases, when new opportunities arrive, when you're finally stepping into the very thing you've worked towards. And instead of feeling happy and powerful and proud of yourself, you feel exposed, because the next level doesn't just require new skills, it requires a new identity as far as you are concerned. And that's where imposter feelings often emerge. So, today let's explore why these imposter feelings appear only during growth and why they may actually be evidence that you're evolving. Firstly, your identity hasn't caught up with your reality as yet. So, one of the biggest reasons imposter feelings appear is because your external success grows faster than your internal identity. Your life has expanded, you have succeeded, but your self image, your beliefs, your patterns are still catching up. You are still seeing yourself through the older lens, and that creates an uncomfortable gap between who you've been and who you're becoming. Secondly, you are entering this unfamiliar territory. So, confidence comes from familiarity, but growth requires unfamiliarity. New opportunities, new responsibilities. Growth requires you to come out of your comfort zone and take that leap. And when you're operating in a space you've never occupied before, it's natural to feel uncertain. It's natural to feel uncomfortable. The discomfort isn't proof that you don't belong there, it is actually proof that you are now growing. Number three, you compare your beginning to somebody else's mastery. And this is the most common one and a very strange one, because many women enter a new level and immediately start comparing themselves to people who've been there for years. Okay? They compare their chapter 1 to somebody else's chapter 15 or 20. And naturally, they feel inadequate. But comparison creates distortion. It makes you forget how far you've already come in your journey and how long the other person has taken to reach where they've reached. Number 4, your nervous system associates visibility with risk. So the next level brings more visibility, obviously. More attention, more opportunities, more responsibility. And if being seen never felt emotionally safe to you while you were growing up, success, may look very fearful. It may activate fear. Because nervous system may interpret visibility as vulnerability, not opportunity. Number 5, you are mistaking growth discomfort for incompetence. And this is a very important truth. Feeling uncomfortable does not mean that you're unqualified. Feeling uncertain definitely does not mean that you're not capable. Feeling challenged does not mean that you are an imposter. Often what you're calling imposter syndrome is simply the emotional discomfort of expansion that you're feeling. You are stretching beyond familiar limits. You are stretching so much that of course it's not going to feel comfortable to you. You're stretching beyond your comfort. So if today's episode resonated with you, like, comment, share it with somebody who needs to hear this today. And I want you to remember that imposter feelings are often a sign that your life is growing faster than your identity. So they don't mean that you're a fraud, that you don't belong, that you're not ready, that you're incompetent. No. Sometimes they simply mean that you're standing at the edge of a bigger version of yourself. And that version may be feeling unfamiliar to you as of now, as on date. So, don't forget to subscribe to the Flight to Fulfillment podcast on either Substack or YouTube or Spotify or Apple so that you don't miss out on such golden nuggets coming your way. Till the next episode, this is me, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off for now. But before I finally sign off, I want you to know this, that you are growing. You are becoming the next version of yourself. So don't be scared. Don't be fearful. Trust yourself. Your next level is not asking you to prove yourself. It is just asking you to go with the flow, trust yourself, and take that leap. If conversations like these speak to your heart, I also invite you to come and join our community, the Freedom Divas Hub, where women come together to build self-worth, emotional resilience, and confidence to step fully into their next chapter. So trust your growth, trust your journey, and remember, you don't have to feel ready to be ready for your next level. You already are ready. I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.